October 2025 was a blockbuster month for US equities, driven by upbeat earnings, revived confidence in AI, and steady consumer demand. While the S&P 500 advanced modestly overall, several standout names surged well ahead of the pack. Let's count down the top 10 performers and what powered their gains. 10. Intuitive Surgical Medical Robotics, up 19%. The maker of Vinci surgical systems impressed investors with strong third-quarter results and a raise in its full-year procedure growth outlook. Hospitals continued expanding robotic surgery programs, and analysts praised Intuitive's ability to balance growth with profitability. 9. First Solar Renewable Energy, up 21%. First Solar beat revenue expectations and announced a new 3.7 gigawatt US manufacturing plant. Demand for domestically produced solar panels stayed robust thanks to clean energy incentives, and the company reaffirmed its leadership in American solar manufacturing. 8. Albemarle Materials and Chemicals, up 21%. Shares climbed as Albemarle moved to streamline operations, selling a $660 million stake in Ketjen and Eurocat to strengthen its balance sheet. Even with lithium prices under pressure, investors liked its decisive portfolio cleanup and long-term exposure to the electric vehicle supply chain. 7. Caterpillar Heavy Equipment and Infrastructure, up 21%. Caterpillar's quarterly earnings crushed expectations. The company cited strong sales of power generation equipment for AI data centers and steady construction demand worldwide. The results pushed shares to record levels and reminded investors why Caterpillar is a barometer for global industrial health. 6. Cardinal Health Healthcare Distribution, up 22%. Cardinal Health raised its earnings guidance thanks to booming specialty drug demand and growth in its pharmacy business. Consistent execution and improving margins made it one of October's most reliable defensive performers in the healthcare sector. 5. Western Digital Data Storage, up 25%. The storage specialist rallied after guiding for stronger earnings on AI-driven demand for high-capacity drives. Reports of long-term purchase orders from major cloud players lifted sentiment. Investors welcomed signs that the long down cycle in memory and storage may finally be over. 4. J.B. Hunt Transport, Transportation and Logistics, up 26%. Freight markets have been tough, but J.B. Hunt delivered a surprise beat on earnings and announced cost savings that boosted profits. Its intermodal and dedicated segments proved resilient, showing how operational discipline can pay off even in a soft freight environment. 3. Teradyne Semiconductor Testing, up 32%. Teradyne forecast fourth-quarter revenue above expectations and named a new CFO as demand for chip testing equipment surged. With the AI and semiconductor boom continuing, investors viewed Teradyne as a key beneficiary of rising capital spending across foundries and chip makers. 2. Micron Technology Semiconductors, up 34%. Micron extended its AI memory leadership with high-bandwidth HBM products tied to next-gen GPUs. Stronger guidance and a clear pivot to premium memory drove the stock higher, while its strategic exit from low-margin server sales in China improved investor sentiment. On advanced micro devices, semiconductors up 58%. Topping the list is AMD, which soared on news of major AI partnerships and record data center chip momentum. A $1 billion supercomputing deal with the US Department of Energy and Oracle's plan to use AMD's MI450 AI chips highlighted its rising position in the AI arms race. Investors piled in, sending shares sharply higher. Quick takeaways for October 2025. Technology once again led the S&P 500, with semiconductors commanding half of the top spots. AI and automation themes continued to shape market momentum, but industrial and healthcare names also proved that earnings execution still matters. Overall, October showed a healthy mix of innovation and stability, a reminder that US markets thrive when both technology and real economy sectors fire together. If you found this breakdown useful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your investing friends, and subscribe for more monthly market countdowns. Which S&P 500 stock are you watching for November? Let us know in the comments.